Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So do you need to change the background color of a PDF in Adobe Acrobat? Adobe Acrobat allows you to change how a PDF background appears while viewing the document, and in some cases you can permanently add or replace a background within the PDF itself. This can improve readability, supports branding, or create a more customized document appearance. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to change the PDF background color in Adobe Acrobat in 2026. Simple and effective. So first thing, change the PDF background color for viewing. Like open Adobe Acrobat, so open the PDF you want to view with a different background color. This method changes the display only, not PDF itself. So open preferences, like select edit, okay, and then preferences, okay. So you have here many options, as you can see, okay. So this opens Acrobat settings panel. Display and accessibility options are located here, okay. So open accessibility settings, so select accessibility, locate replace documents colors, and this feature allows Acrobat to override PDF colors while viewing. Choose a custom background color, okay, so enable replace documents colors, then choose document text color or page background color, for example white text on black background, or black text on light gray background, or yellow text on dark blue background. So high contrast combinations often improve readability, okay. And then apply the changes, click OK. The PDF will now appear using the selected colors, okay. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.